Inside of this creative video, I'm going to teach you how to get infinite ammo inside of your Fortnite game. So what we're going to need to do is open the creative menu, go into our island settings and just type in ammo. Inside of here, in the inventory section, we can turn on infinite reserve ammo and infinite magazine ammo. If you have infinite reserve ammo, it means you'll never run out of ammo. And if you have infinite magazine ammo, that means that you basically don't need to reload. One thing to be careful of is if you have any team settings devices. The reason why you need to be careful of team settings devices or even class devices is because there is options in here that override ammo. As long as your ammo is not overridden inside of team settings and class devices, then you should be fine. If this video was helpful to you, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm making lots more videos like this. Use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item shop, and I have a link in the description for absolute beginners to creative.